if you are 2 minutes man, 3 minutes man, 4 minutes man, 5 minutes man. Let me say if you go for less than 5 minutes during bed competition, and whenever you finish, you don't come back for the second round, or you come back after 1 hour, after 2 hours, my dear, this home remedy is for you, because this home remedy will help you to come back earlier, to come back immediately. It means when you finish the first round like this, you wake up immediately, because some men, you face such a problem. When you finish the first round like this, you don't come back immediately. You come back after 2 hours, after 3 hours, and your partner is tired of waiting for you. This home remedy, when you take it and you finish the first round, my dear, you will come back immediately. Okay? And trust me, this home recipe is natural. Doesn't have side effects, doesn't have overdose, and it will just give you energy. It will give you, it's like Viagra, okay? But natural Viagra. So, it will give you energy, it will make it stiff, strong, energetic during bedtime with your competitor. So you just need to know how to make this home remedy at home, when to use it, and for how long it will take you during bed performance. But before I proceed, my dear, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, and at the end of this video, please leave a comment in the comment section. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel. So I want you to get for me tomato. It can be bigger than this one, as long as you get tomato which contains juice, because we need juice from this tomato. So get 1 tomato. Trust me, this is an amazing recipe which you need to last longer. This works immediately. You just take it before someone comes to your place, and you go for hours without getting tired, without stopping. So get for me tomato. You can even try to squeeze it so that it creates juice. Okay? Try to squeeze it so that it creates juice. Now you are going to cut your tomato, as you see. Then get its juice like this. And even this one, guys, please guys, I'm requesting you watch the entire video from the beginning up the end. And you can, by the way, share the video to your friends in WhatsApp groups, on your WhatsApp status, so that other men get chance to know how to make such amazing recipe at home. So this is our tomato juice, as I told you. I want you to get for me empty bottle. It can be a plastic bottle or it can be a metallic bottle. Bring it here. Get for me cloves powder. Okay, if you don't know cloves powder, or if you don't know cloves, please go to internet, research how cloves looks like. So look for the pics from the internet so that you can buy the real cloves for this recipe to take place. So if you know, that is very nice. If you don't know, go to internet and make a research. Because some people, you ask me different products, but it's very easy to go to internet and research. You get me? So go to internet or nearby supermarkets, local shop, and buy yourself clove powder. You're going to add a little bit because it's very strong. Okay, this is enough. Okay, add it here. We need Nescafe. I always tell you Nescafe is the best. You can buy other different types of coffee powder, but I recommend you to use Nescafe. So even Nescafe, we need just 1 spoon. Like this one is enough. Trust me, this home recipe is natural, doesn't have side effects, and there's no overdose. So such amazing remedy This is what you need for the performance to be better on that day. We also need lemon juice. We need lemon juice. So you're going to cut lemon and bring it here because we need lemon juice. Remember, lemon contains vitamin E, okay, which is good for your blood circulation. And if you have high blood circulation, trust me, your performance is always to be better. And if your blood circulation is low, please take this home recipe, because sometimes to last long in bed, to perform very well, you have to be with high blood circulation down there. So you need to take this home recipe to increase blood circulation during performance time. Okay. Now get for me hot boiled water. Hot boiled water. Add it here. Hot boiled water. Try to mix very well. Now from that, cover for me this bottle for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So only 2 minutes are enough for this home recipe to get ready. Trust me, there is no side effects, there is no overdose. Trust me, on that time your joystick will be perfect, will be stiff, strong. Okay, it will be with energy. You'll go for hours without stopping. Okay, because I told you this will help you to increase blood circulation during that time. So you need this home recipe to make it on that day. But please complete the entire video. But don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, to leave a comment in the comment section, and of course to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. So 2 minutes are done. Get a glass. Get for me natural honey. Don't buy honey, or don't use honey which contains other things like sugar or what. Buy natural honey, original, which doesn't contain anything. So you're going to add only 1 spoon. This is enough, guys. And mix very well. Please subscribe, share the video to your friends, invite your fellow men to this YouTube channel, because they need to know how to make such amazing remedies at home. But this, when you take it, you'll be my witness. I decided to make this home remedy for you. And if you are facing such a problem, when you go for body competition, you go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you don't come back for the second round. So this home recipe will help you, whereby when you go for first round and you finish, you come back immediately. You don't take a lot of time to come back for the second round. So I'm requesting you, please learn how to make such amazing recipe. Trust me, on that day, your happiness will come back, because our competitors, they feel happy when you take her for hours without stopping. So if you go for 2 minutes, my dear, I'm so sorry, but this is what you need for your time to get better. Very amazing remedy, which doesn't have overdose, which doesn't have side effects. So when you take it like this glass, before she comes, trust me, you won't remain the same. Okay, so I want you to take this home recipe 15 minutes before she comes or before you visit her. My dear, during football match, you'll play very well, you'll function very well, because this home remedy will increase blood circulation. So subscribe for such amazing videos. Give a like to this video, share, Invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And by the way, my name is Coach Uganda. What about you? I love you so much. God bless you. Bye-bye.